Away they go. Jack Lynch, Diamond, Blue Material. Rising up is Carmelo. My wife knows all. Moving up by Doralis, Never Say Goodbye. Rushing up the outstanding favorite. And this one is Golden Empire. Jack Lynch, Diamond, followed now by Golden Empire, Carmelo. Never Say Goodbye. In between runners, Pinay Beauty alongside My Wife Knows All. On the outside is Petronas, The Reason Why. Blue Material, rushing up King Break. Another far turn, Jack Lynch, Diamond. Moving up now to take the lead, Golden Empire. Golden Empire by about 2 lines, followed now by Carmelo. Jack Lynch, Diamond, rushing up is King Ring out of father outside together by My Wife Knows All. Never Say Goodbye. As they race the final corner, the outstanding favorite, number 5, Golden Empire by about 6 lengths now. Followed now by My Wife Knows All, Petronas. And nearing the finish line, the Icebreaker, Golden Empire. Second, My Wife Knows All, Petronas. 8A, King Rick. And number 10, Carmelo.
So